It's nice to look at right now, but there's actually a lot going on underneath the water.
The City of Burnaby says in a report that these ponds were made 60 years ago. The holes dug and filled with sandbags and clay on the bottom. They have since eroded past the point of repair and need a complete overhaul.
It's just not a good area for wildlife. There's a lot of water seepage, water loss that's going on. Basically refilling the water in that pond once every 5 days, an amount that's equal to the Central Park outdoor pool. So it's an incredible amount of water loss. And then also it's just not good, those water conditions. It's very poor quality.
The staff report suggests that not only are the pond's banks and edges collapsing inward, but the stagnant water is time-worn and polluted with excess nutrients that continue to cause algal blooms and fish deaths. This Earth, Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences professor says when algae, phytoplankton, runs out of nutrients and stops growing, it can become toxic to the environment.
They die and they sink to the sediment. And then when they sink to the sediment, bacteria are going to take over and they're going to use that organic matter to make a living. And bacteria are like us. They consume oxygen to make a living.
Maldonado says large amounts of bacteria can remove oxygen from the water, and that can affect the food sources wildlife rely on. Burnaby city staff are calling for a complete rebuild, including a new water circulation system and new structures like decks, boardwalks, and fencing. The total bill could add up to $14 to $16 million. The development of this plan will be discussed in the City of Burnaby's 2024 to 2028 financial plan.
Because we also want to hear from the public, right, and others about what they'd like to see in the park and how they think we should proceed. And we want to make sure that we do it right.
In Burnaby, Angela Bauer, City News.